What's going on? Matt here, back with another tutorial, and for today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do the disposable film type of look in Adobe Lightroom 2020. Let's hop into the computer and I'll show you how to do it. Alright, what's going on? Now we're on the computer. So to start us off, open up Lightroom, import your image, and next you want to adjust your temperature, right? So for this effect, we're going to be doing 5,000 to 50 and around 20 or so for the tint. Next, scroll down to do the exposure, and for the exposure we're going to do this one's a little darker, so I'm going to do 30-ish. Next, let's lower the contrast to -20. Then let's boost up the highlights around +15. Shadows, we can lower those to -30 or about there. Whites, 41, +41. Around there is fine. For the blacks, we can actually raise those blacks as well, so that'll help it give it a little bit more of a faded film kind of look. So around 20ish, 25 works. Move down to clarity. We can boost the clarity a little bit, do 13 or so. Keep going. Lower the dehaze a little bit, so do -10. Go to vibrancy and saturation, so we can boost the vibrancy to 30, and we can lower the saturation to -20. Okay, keep going. We're going to go to the curves panel. So for the curves panel, just click the white little circle and take the bottom point, raise it up a little bit, take the top point, and then drag it to the left. Then go over to the green and do the same thing with the green, but don't do it as far over, right? So just do slight, and then do it to the bottom, slight, and then let's do this to the blue. Let's just move the blue, this shadows for the blue, over to the right. Nothing too crazy. Let's just adjust the green. I feel like it's a little too far over. Okay, now let's go down to the HSL color panel. Right, so for the hue, we're gonna be doing yellow 30, and everything else can stay the same. Then click the saturation tab. And for the saturation, we're gonna do red, 15, orange around 15 as well, yellow around -16, and green around -30. And then click the luminance. And for the luminance, let's do red 15, orange +30, yellow +24, and green around -20. Okay. That's it for that panel. Go down to the split toning. Let's do highlights 41. Let's do the saturation around 17. Leave the hue for the shadows and just boost the saturation to around 18. Keep going down. Keep going down. Go over to the effects. You want to add a slight vignette, right? So let's just do -31. Or if you want a little bit more, you can do more. Let's do, -42 actually. That should work. Keep going down to the grain and play with the grain, but for this particular image, I'm just going to do around 30. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's a little before and after. yeah, so that's pretty much it for today's tutorial. I hope you guys found some value in today's video, and if you did, drop a comment down below, drop a like, and hope to see you guys next time. Peace!